Hey everyone, today we share with you the best tips and ideas on how to design your dream home. In today's video, we will show you how to use light gray and blue to create a modern and elegant look for your living room. Light gray and blue are a wonderful color combination that can create a harmonious and sophisticated atmosphere as well as a contrast between warm and cool tones. Whether you prefer a traditional or a contemporary look, there are many ways to incorporate light gray and blue in your living room design. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and the newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. So, in this video, we will share 35 examples of living rooms that use this magnificent color combination in different ways and offer some tips and ideas on how to achieve this look in your own home. So stay tuned and get ready to be inspired by these beautiful living rooms in light gray and blue. And once again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. Now let's get started. Let's start with this small corner living room that is bright and cozy thanks to the large floor-to-ceiling windows that offer a stunning view of the city and the balcony. The walls are painted white and light gray, creating a neutral and elegant backdrop for the furniture and accessories. The hard floor adds some warmth and textures to the space. The focal point of the room is the large sectional sofa, which is adorned with decorative white, light gray, and navy blue pillows. The sofa provides ample seating and comfort for the guest and the family. The low-profile white TV stand blends in with the wall and holds the entertainment system. The navy blue armchairs add a pop of color and a cozy spot to relax or read. The rattan side table and the round coffee table bring some neutral and rustic elements to the room. The light gray rug with geometric patterns anchors the sitting area and adds some interest and contrast to the floor. The living room is a perfect example of how to use light gray and blue to create modern and elegant look that is also relaxing and inviting. Let's step now into a living room that is a bright and spacious corner unit with large glass walls that open to a wooden patio. The white walls and the gorgeous hardwood floor create a clean and elegant look. The comfortable three-seater sofa, decorated with white and blue pillows, faces the wall, mounted glossy blue TV stand. A lightweight chairs and a small round coffee table complete the sitting area. A light gray area rug and transparent curtains add some softness and coziness to the room. This living room is a stunning example of how to use white and blue to create a modern and chic look that is also relaxing and inviting. A modern, elegant living space despite its small size. This living room is a small and cozy space with large floor-to-ceiling windows that let in natural light. The laminated floor and the light gray walls create a neutral and modern backdrop for the furniture and accessories. The navy blue sofa and armchair add a splash of color and create a comfortable sitting area. The round-top wooden coffee table and the light gray ottoman provide some storage and service space. The light gray and blue area rug tie the color scheme together and add some warmth and textures to the floor. This living room is a simple and elegant example of how to use light gray and blue to create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. This living room is a spacious and airy space with a generous open plan that connects to a gorgeous garden. The walls, curtains, and furniture are all in gray hues, creating a sleek and sophisticated look. The blue color accents, such as the decorative pillows, add some contrast and interest to the room. The stylish, low-profile furniture provides some comfort and elegance to the space. This living room is a beautiful example of how to use blue and gray to create a modern and luxurious look that is also inviting and relaxing. This living room from the image is a modern and bright space with floor-to-ceiling windows and a glass sliding door that offer a stunning view of the city and the large patio. The light color wooden floor and the light gray walls create a spacious and elegant look. The modern light gray sofa and the beautiful cabinet in natural wooden color with blue color accent provide some comfort and style to the space. The two stylish coffee tables and the decorative accessories, such as the light gray and blue pillows, the small potted plants, and the large modern painting in a gray hues, add some personality and interest to the room. This living room is another wonderful example of how to use light gray and blue to create a chic and inviting atmosphere. This living room is a cozy and elegant space with light gray walls and a navy blue accent wall that creates a contrast and a focal point. The light wooden colored hardwood floor and the light gray area rug add some warmth and textures to the space. The gorgeous gray section of the sofa and the two different navy blue armchairs provide a comfortable and stylish sitting area. The round top coffee table and the decorative pillows in light gray, white, and navy blue add some interest and personality to the room. The vertical gray blinds separate the living room from the rest of the space, creating a sense of privacy and intimacy. This living room is a fabulous and exquisite space with paneled gray walls that add some textures and elegance to the room. The floor-to-ceiling windows let in natural light and are covered with long gray curtains that create a cozy and luxurious atmosphere. The furniture arrangement is symmetrical and stylish, with two fabulous curved sofas facing each other, creating a conversation area. The round gray area rug and the round coffee table and side table add some softness and balance to the space. The dark blue and golden accent, such as the frame on the TV wall and the side table, add some contrast and glamour to the room. This living room is a stunning example of how to use gray hues and dark blue and golden accent to create a sophisticated and inviting look. The living room from the image, it's a small but bright space with an L-shaped open floor plan that connects to a gorgeous back garden. The walls and the furniture are in gray hues, creating a neutral and modern look. The blue spots, such as the decorative pillows, add some interest and color to the room. The space can be extended into the garden, creating a sense of spaciousness and freshness. This living room is a nice example of how to use gray hues and blue spots to create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. We hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration and ideas on how to use light gray and blue to create a modern and elegant look for your living room. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends and family. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can be notified of our latest uploads. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!